pipe and fittings are 1 inch in size, compatible with regular Schedule 40 pipe and fittings you'd find at a hardware store. First, you have a 14-inch section, 23 of those. Then you have an 1.5 inch section, 7 of those. You also have drain pipe, which is common at hardware stores. You have 1 cap. You have 2 45-degree fittings. You have 4 4-way fittings, 4 elbow fittings. You have 3 3-way fittings. You have 2 standard tees. You have a cross. And then you have, these items are called slip tees. You're going to need 10 of those. These fittings, the pipe passes through the top of the fitting like that. There's no stops inside. You're going to need a snap clamp to hold your bag in place. You're going to need a spout. This is a nice American-made one. Run about $5. There's also cheap Chinese ones for about $1, but we recommend the solider ones. You're going to need a funnel. This is a giant quick fill funnel and a rubber band to help secure that. You're going to need a piece of string with a safety pin, and then this clamp piece here that clamps onto your pipe and acts as your foot piece. As far as your buckets go, you need a bucket with a regular lid, and then a bucket with a pouring lid. And at least one of your buckets needs to be tall enough so that the pipe will fit down inside. So at least 14 inches tall. The other one is not critical. Last thing, you're going to need 3 self-tapping screws. So now we're going to go ahead and build the hand wash station. So you're going to start out with your cross piece, and you're going to get 4 sections of pipe. And now you get your slip tees, and you have to go on first. Last section of 14-inch pipe. We'll go right across here. It's all tight. Okay, so now you're going to take and attach a string to your foot pedal. The foot pedal is going to be popped on here. Screws. And you're going to take and screw. Make sure the foot pedal is flat. or your hose onto the end of your funnel. You're just going to grab matter, this is something that's kind of water resistant, and you're going to run across that joint. You're going to put your rubber band onto your funnel. Right in here. Now you're going to take your last screw. It's going to just be placed into this pipe. Not all the way in. You have your hole in your bucket. When you drill that hole, you're going to want to leave a space so that it's not all the way to the bottom. Otherwise, your nut won't fit on the other side. You're going to put on the gasket and the nut. So you have the gasket on both sides of the hole, and then you're just going to turn it on. Handle over, and then put that fitting right there, just to hold it firm. You're going to take your string, your right length, so that when it comes up here, it just gives a little tension on your foot pedal. So the nice thing about this kit is that it'll fit in the two buckets. So if you want to ship it to China or Africa or some other country that needs these for sanitation, they do all fit in the buckets and are easy to ship. So I'll demonstrate. So if you wanted to send this to another country, shrink wrap this, and then it'll arrive ready to be assembled. So I recommend just any PVC glue to glue all your joints so it stays firm. Another option would be to take screws and just put screws in each of the fittings so that it holds it firm. One thing we want to emphasize on this is if you're dealing with adults, this is probably stable enough. The kids have a tendency to climb up on it, and so if that's the case, you're going to want to secure it to like a post or put an anchor into the wall, something to secure it so that the kids won't knock this heavy bucket of water over on top of it. So then you got your bag and a clamp. Just going to put the bag over the top. Clamp's going to hold it down. And if you have little paper towels or something that can go there, a little cap to go over the top of it. Now you're pretty much ready to just take your lid off, take another bucket of water, fill it up, put your lid back on, and you're ready to start washing your hands.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you'd like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.